sing along. Put the toys away while we sing this song. Everyone together, smiling as we play. Cleaning up is fun at the end of every day. Pick up all the building blocks, 1, 2, 3. Put them on the shelf with Mia&Leo and me. Teddy books and little cars, every toy has a place. Baby Bobo laughs with a happy little face. Clean up, come and sing along. Put the toys away while we sing this song. Everyone together, smiling as we play. Cleaning up is fun at the end of every day. Roll the balls into the box, nice and neat. Tiny dancing happy feet, tap, tap feet. Every little helper makes the room so bright. Working all together feels so good and right. Clap your hands, spin around, give a little cheer. A clean and cozy playroom makes a smile from ear to ear. Helping one another is the best thing we can do. Mia&Leo, Baby Bobo, me and you. Clean up, now the room can shine. Every toy is safely back, everything looks fine. Hip hooray, we did it! What a happy day. Cleaning up together is the funnest way. Bye-bye, messy toys. Hello, tidy room. See you next time, everyone. Let's play again soon.